ምነው ቆየህ ትሉኛላችሁ በእንግሊዘኛ ምነው ቆየህ alright this one has got a beautiful expression what took you so long right what took you so long እየጠበቅኩ ነበርኮ በሉኝ እስቲ እየጠበቅኩ ነበርኮ alright so you can say I am waiting for you አይደል I am waiting for you
I am waiting for you Vicene
አትመጣም ብዬ በጣም ፈርቼ ነበር ሶስተኛው ነው አትመጣም ብዬ በጣም ፈርቼ ነበር ምን ይሆናል I was worried or I thought you would never show up.
I thought he would just show up here.
I thought you would never show up. Okay? I thought you would never show up ካላችሁኝም ልክ ነው ማለት ነው። አራተኛው መጠበቅ ሰልችቶኛል ወይ ደግሞ አንተን መጠበቅ ሰልችቶኛል. I'm tired of waiting for you ወይም ደግሞ I'm tired of waiting. Okay? I'm tired of waiting ካላችሁኝ መጠበቅ ሰልችቶኛል ወይ ደግሞ አንተን መጠበቅ ከሆነ ደግሞ for you መጨረሻ ላይ አድርጉበት ነው.
Tired of waiting.
Okay, የማትመጣ ከሆነ አሳውቀኝ. ይሄ ምን ይሆናል? Let me know if you're not coming. Let me know if you are not coming. Okay? እነዚህን አምስቱን ካወቃችሁ you're good. So ቀጥሎ የእናንተ አሳይመንት አለ. እየመጣው ነው. ደርሻለሁ ትላላችሁ አይደል? Say it in English. Comment section ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.